Yo, free online money maker. Let's get this money, people. Let's get this money, all right? About to cash out paid viewpoints, all right? This is going to be how to use paid viewpoints to your advantage, all right, people? How to use paid viewpoints to your advantage. Everybody should have this. Everybody should use the site, people. I'm trying to tell you, it's so easy, so simple. You answer simple questions, let the money pile up. Just let it earn. If you know a lot of people, you could share your link, right? But now I'm starting to know different ways on how to share your link. So, you know what I'm saying? So definitely watch my videos, especially my late videos, my last like 5 to 10 videos. I'm really starting to scale up, and I'm really starting to understand different things I didn't understand before. All right. So now we could put these different offers, right? These different free offers into different, you can put them into different traffic sources and start building. All right, people. So let's dive straight into it. Paid viewpoints. How to use paid viewpoints. Now, when you first sign up to paid viewpoints, all right, my link's gonna be in the description. When you first sign up, all right, I got $100 cash out right here. I let this bill. I probably have it cashed out in like 4 months, probably like 5 months. All right, so don't think like this is me just doing this in 1 day or 2 days or a month. Nah, like I just let it build. I have so many different accounts, people. That's why I try to really help you on an every single day basis. I tell you, use multiple streams of income. So you got to use multiple streams of different sites and apps. You got to use multiple. All right. Same way, once you start leveling up and you buy different products, digital marketing products, you're gonna have to get multiple streams of traffic. All right. I'm gonna have an MST video on that. Multiple streams of traffic video. All right. My last traffic video, I just posted that. So I said, like, a lot of people asking me different questions on that video. So it's a lot of different things you got to know. They don't tell you that all they do is try to sell you a course, and they tell you to buy this traffic that they offer you. But it's not the only traffic that they use. They use so much different traffic, people. It's not even funny. All right. This is how they get to the higher level. Now, me, I'm just trying to get enough money so I can stay home every month. Every day I can stay home. I can pay myself you know what I'm saying? That's it. That's the step one. All right. You got to break it down. All right. I got bigger dreams than that, but this is the first dream, right? To be able to work for myself year in, year out, day in, day out. You know what I'm saying? It'll be amazing feeling. All right. This is why I'm doing what I'm doing. This is why I'm going so hard, because I want this lifestyle so bad. I don't care about like being crazy rich. I know I'm gonna end up getting there later, but I'm not worried about all that. I just want to stay home. You know what I'm saying? I just want to stay home. This warehouse 9 to 5 job is like, you just can't keep, how long you gonna keep doing it? You know what I'm saying? How long you gonna keep doing it? So you gotta stay focused on what you're trying to do. All right. Now, when you're using paid viewpoints, right here is gonna be your earnings right here. Your trade score is gonna be right here. Now, when you sign up, use my link, because you probably get a promotional bonus. All right. They usually have a promotional bonus. So if they have a promotional bonus, you will get that bonus to start off, and future bonuses when they send you surveys and stuff like that. All right. Now your trade score is, my trade score is 10,000. The blue bar goes all the way to the max. When you first start off, it's going to be at 0. Your blue bar is going to be like right here. It's going to take you a while to get to 10,000. All right. So don't get discouraged. Don't think that this is a waste of time or anything. It's going to take you so long to get to 10,000. I'm trying to tell you. I'm really telling you. It's going to take you a while to get to 10,000, but don't worry about that, because this is free income. You can cash out as soon as you get to $15. You're able to cash out. All right, let me show you my lifetime earnings. Did I click on it? I think I did click on it. Let that load up a little bit. I got like 45 different windows open on this laptop. I'm telling you. All right. Here goes my current stats right here. $100.54 here. Year-to-date earnings is $89.64. All right, $89.64. Lifetime earnings, $644.84. 100% free. Are you listening? I'm 100% free. This is why I'm trying to help y'all. Like, once you start earning off it by yourself, then, you know, if you know people, you can start sharing your link. But like I said, if you follow my traffic methods, you could just take this and start using that as a product. You got to use everything I'm using. Each site and app that I use, you have to act like it's a product, like it's a real product in the store, because that's what it basically is, right? Because if you give this to somebody, right, like the same way I signed up to this, I didn't know about PaidViewPoint ever. I'm on a computer searching, I signed up under somebody's link, right? So I'm helping them, because they're making money. Every time I'm making money, they're making money. So, right? And then now look, I didn't know nothing about paid viewpoints, but now I do, and now I got $644.84 extra in my bank account. Free, 100% free. So you have to understand, do not like disrespect or do not, like, you know what I'm saying, underestimate these sites. Look, $89 in 6 months. Look, year to date, 6 months. But I don't even come on this site, people. Like, you understand? It's just income coming in. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Just use it. Continue to use it. It's so easy. They tell you when you have a survey. You don't even have to come on here and look to see if they have a survey. They tell you if they have a survey. All right? They email you. All right? If I was you, I always look, though. I always check it because you get more. You check because they send an email a little late. They don't send an email out as soon as they send out the survey. So if you hurry up and keep checking your account, I just check my account like every 2 hours. All you gotta do is log in, click, one click, and I'm in here. And all I have to do is see this. If this is not green, I'm out. It takes 1 second to check. It takes less than 2 minutes to do the survey. Why not? It's free money. Then you take this free money and you use it for your side business or whatever you got going on. If you got a startup you got going on, or if you want to start something up, if you want to buy a course, you want to buy a book, you want to get this, you want to get that, you got money to do it. You know what I'm saying? There's no excuse, people. No excuse. All right. So now I'm gonna go here. Look, I got PayPal, Amazon, or Walmart. At like 95% of the world probably uses all three of these. Maybe not PayPal, but Amazon and Walmart. Like 95% of the world shops at Amazon or at Walmart. So like at the end of the day, this can really help you. Like this can really help you. I always go for the PayPal. I grab that and I'm gone. You know what I'm saying? I grab that and I'm gone. All right, people. So let me let me do this survey first before I cash out. Let me do this survey first before I cash out here. Quick survey just to show you guys like how quick it is. Quick, simple, easy. The only time it's long is if they have video surveys. Sometimes they'll make you watch an episode, like a 20-minute episode. One time they made me watch a Love and Hip Hop episode before the episode actually came out. What types of research would you be interested in participating? All of them. All this is money. You talking about what type of research? Send me all of that. Which of these activities or hobbies do you enjoy? Photography, poetry writing, quilting. This is what you're gonna be doing. This is what I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, look what you're answering, people. I don't know if I do quilting. Oh, I write bars. So that's poetry writing. Sculpting. Do your child eat the following snacks? Who don't eat all these snacks? I don't know about jelly beans. Which of the following services do you use through your financial institutions? So this is all you do. This is what you're going to be doing, people. Look. And you're going to answer way faster than me. I'm actually reading to you guys. Have you switched from a Samsung manufactured smartphone Galaxy? Have I switched? I think I did. Let's just put yes. Do you have any children born in your household? Yes. How often do you watch sports, either live or on a device? Sports? All the time. 3 times a week. Ain't no sports now, but do you follow any of these diets? Which of these items do you plan to own in the next 6 months? See what I'm saying, people? That's all you're doing is answering these questions. It's probably going to be like a 5-cent survey, a 10-cent survey. Which of the following best describes the area which you live in? Now, a lot of people are like, oh, you stupid for doing this. All right. Say whatever you want. I got 644. How much was it again? $600.44, something like that. Free, people. So it doesn't matter to me. Which category below includes the total household income before taxes? Always put 100, people. Always. Always, always, always. All right? Like, not just answering, period. Make sure your profile says it matches up to, all right? Always put like 80. Always put like 100 or 60 and up. All right? Beside yourself, how many people live in the household? Which of the following ethnicities do you follow? What? Please, so ethnicities do you identify with? Black. Sometimes the type of work people do affects the products they buy. Please indicate, oh, what kind of work do I do? None of the above. Let me see what they ask me. Yeah, put none of the above because they don't want you to work in none. They don't want you to do market researching, work in the news media, work for a company that manufactures the products. At least they don't want you to do. They don't want you to be involved in any of these. All right, so always put none of the above. But make sure you read it out because sometimes it'll be your actual job and you'll put none of the above and you'll get disqualified. All right, people. Let me just cancel this real quick. I agree to discuss any information about this study. I agree that this research data. Oh, this is about to be a big survey. I think it's about to open up to a big survey. What role are you purchasing laundry products in the household? This might be a big survey because they asked me that question not to share this. So I might have to pause this. I might have to stop doing this, duplicate this, cash out, and come back and do this. I'm going to see where it goes, though. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this opens up to a big survey. Usually they say not to share it, so it opens up to a big survey. These are regular questions right here, so this doesn't matter. I'll just put Honda. I think I answered that wrong. Dang, I think I answered that one wrong. All right, look, 10-cent survey. That quick, that easy. And I have another one to do again. And that's how fast it is. I'm going to do this one too. Watch. So I know you're like, oh, 10 cents, come on. All right, I'm just telling y'all. Start doing these surveys. It's so simple. Look what I just did for 10 cents. So simple. Now, yours is going to be less than mine because yours, your trade score is not all the way up. Once your trade score gets all the way up, you're going to get 10 cents and above. The minimum you're going to ever get is 10 cents for a survey. Minimum. Some days I did like 8 surveys, 9 surveys, like $3, $9, something like that, $3 to $9. You know what I'm saying? So it's not gonna be every day, but you know, some days you get lucky. How important is your overall health to you? Now, like I said, these things are so simple. You just go here and fly and answer these questions. Follow it, create the launch surveys. None of the above. Which of these items do you own? I know you don't put nothing crazy. How many typical spend on groceries in a week? Just put 3. Do you have on a cell phone? Of course, we own a cell phone. Have you coped with somebody and following the conditions? Which activity hobbies do you enjoy? So, see, people like this is easy. People, simple stuff. People, do you work as a pediatrician, medical doctor, a teacher? No. Which of the following services have you paid for renting a movie? Netflix, Amazon Prime. Do you plan on following life-changing events in the next 12 months? Hopefully get engaged. Hopefully get knocked up. Living life. How often do you run or jog? Every day. I have the treadmill right there, people. I know y'all trying to play me out right now when I answer that. Look, 20 cents. That quick. Look, no more surveys left. 20 cents that quick. Let's go cash out. I'm out of here. 20 cents that quick. So like I said, people, it's simple. You're not gonna get anything really off that unless it opens up. Sometimes you answer it exactly the way you want you to answer, and it'll open up, and then it'll be like 80 cents, $1, $2, $1.50, $1.10. You know what I'm saying? So it all depends. All right, we're gonna cash out right now. All right, $100. Cash out via PayPal. All right, I'm gonna just pause the video because it might be. All right, I just clicked into it and none of my info came up. All right. Congratulations on your cash out. Please allow 72 hours for the funds to arrive. All right, people. Look at that. $645.04 lifetime earnings, people. Come on. 100% free. One day this is going to say 6,000 because I'm not going to stop using this. And if this site never shuts down, I'm going to take $6,000 away. I'm going to take $6,000 away from them. But you have to understand, people, if I made $645 off this site, how much did these people make? You gotta understand, people. They're not gonna pay me $645 without them making their cut first. So they know what they're doing. They know where they get these big companies that want the answers to all these questions. All right. So you have to understand these companies are so rich it doesn't matter to them to give out this money. Because why? These monies is pennies. Yeah, but if you keep using it over and over and over, this is not pennies anymore. $645. You could do something with that. And if you can't, then just save it and keep going. You could do something with that, all right? And if you can't, then just keep grinding, people. Keep grinding. All right, I saw I bought a $1,000 course. Watch that video. All right, I bought a $1,000 course. Where'd you think I got the money from, all right? I kept grinding. $20 here, $40 here, $30 here, $20 here. For the last year, $100. I mean, 100 days, $10 a day. $10 a day, 100 days, $1,000. Bang, let's go buy something. You see what I'm saying? Every day, I got something coming in, so I'll take $10 put to the side. Every day. So every 100 days, I got to list another $1,000. See what I'm saying? So you just gotta grind, people, and continue to invest in yourself and believe in what you're doing. All right, free online MoneyMaker, PaidViewPoints, $100 cash out. Next time I'm gonna let this build to $300 and then cash out. All right, Free online money maker.